All right, kids, I'm gonna show y'all how to clean a blackfin. Now this one looks like it's been beat up, but we had a saltwater brine on the boat and it does discolor it a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a good sharp knife. I'm gonna pull up the peck fin right here. I'm gonna start vertically and then slide it all the way up to the head, all right, towards the eyes. And that way if you cut flat, you're missing this big chunk of meat right here. I'm gonna go to the tail, and right here from the tail, I'm gonna go ahead and slide it 45 back, 45 down, and you'll feel your blade slide along the row of bones. Now this right here is what's called the lateral line. It has another row of bones as well as a strong bloodline in it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my knife and go straight. At a 45, so it just slides, I say straight, in line with it. At a 45 down. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna pull off a beautiful piece of meat. And as you see right here with it, yeah, I went straight down to the bone. There's no wasted meat at all. Flip the fish around. Now I'm gonna go this lateral line right here. I'm gonna do the same exact thing, but on the bottom side of it, okay? So I'm gonna get right here, get down. Once I feel the row of bones, 45, keep a little pressure, push it all the way down. Sometimes with blackfin, you get a couple scales on there, knock them off. So now, the only thing we have left to deal with is the rib cage and all the guts in there. I don't like dealing with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing, 45, try and stay right on the top and come down to the anal fin. Now once I get to the anal fin, I got it right back like it was. So we're just gonna go ahead, slide the knife through, all the way down to the bone. Beautiful piece of tuna meat. And when you do the bottom side of the fish, same exact process. Cut by the head, by the tail, lateral line, pop off 2 pretty loins. You'll be set and ready to go.